Okay, so our Godzilla figures just sold amazingly over the past few months, and honestly, I'm really looking forward to SDCC. So, what we need is some sort of figure set to accompany us and being exclusive. So, anyone got any ideas? Well, I mean, I just had gummy bears the other day. Gummy bears! Gummy bears are translucent, colorful. How about this? Perfect! Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Matthew, and today we are taking another look at some new Mezco Godzilla figures. These are the newest entries in Mezco's ever-expanding world of the 5.XL Godzilla figure line, and I guess their Godzilla brand in general. So here's what they are. This is the 1991 Godzilla vs. King Ghidorah Radioactive Battle Box set from SDCC San Diego Comic-Con 2022. No, I'm not joking, that's its actual name. So, we're going to be going with these figures individually, kind of divided into two parts. We're going to first take a look at Godzilla, then Ghidorah, and then probably when the whole thing's finished, I'll compile them up into one video, you get the whole story. So, first up, we're going to get this party started with Godzilla. So right off the bat, I can immediately just say that both Godzilla and Ghidorah reused their molds from the 68 sets, the Destroy All Monsters, because, well, I guess that was just the easiest option. Hair. I mean, I live with 4 animals, 4 dogs and 2 cats, so I guess 6 animals in total. But basically, this is a purely green translucent version of that figure with no paint. So that means any chance that this thing can be scuffed, nope. This thing is purely fun. But that being said, a lot of the detail has been carried over from what I love about the 68 figure, and it just looks so stunning. This is honestly just beautiful work. I honestly just applaud the people in Mezco for, I'm not just making something beautiful like this. Like, I'm not really one to collect translucent figures, but when it's done like this actually looks pretty good. And because of the fact that I have my light on forwards, it actually does give off a kind of glossy look to it, and honestly just looks really nice. For the head, kind of features that standard head shape. The dorsal fins, oddly enough, are actually sharper than on the original, probably because they might have not been cleaned up as much in the factory, but I mean, that's alright. Tail's looking pretty nice too, although it just kind of looks like a long green gummy worm. I mean, which is weird because like it looks gummy, but in reality it's very hard and rigid, and it's very obvious that this thing is not made of rubber, not meant for kids at all. Like, seriously, this can actually hurt. Ow. It actually kind of hurts. This fin right here where my fingernail is touching, yeah, that hurts. So, you got all the scales and details. It just looks really nice, and even like the dorsal fins up here kind of looks kind of like a crystal. In fact, this whole thing kind of reminds me of crystals or gummy candies, if that makes any sense. Bottom of the feet look pretty nice too. Copyright T.H. Toho Mezco China. Got the peg holes, for you probably already know. And yeah, that's honestly kind of it. I mean, the details pretty much unchanged from the original. But for posability, you have an articulated head, which can go side to side. Looks pretty nice there. The legs can kick forwards and backwards. Very stiff though, much stiffer than the original. And arms can obviously move up and down. So again, it's made of 5 points. That's the name of the line. So 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, the tail does not move, and honestly, that'd be kind of asking for much, given the fact that the whole gimmick of this line is 5 points of articulation. So, honestly, Godzilla, he's definitely a winner in my book.